Hi, this is Anusmriti Sarkar and you are watching News Today.
Can we also have the office bearers on stage to felicitate? Taaliyan rukna nahi chahiye. I think the clap should go on and on. What a proud moment, sir. It's our pride and it's our honor to have you here today at the Hindustan Club for the mini marathon Raising the Dust Season 3. We have the President felicitating. A small token of appreciation from our end. Mr. Gurbat Singh, 2-3 शब्द थोड़ा इंस्पायर करने के लिए.
Very happy to be here, to be invited here for this Hindustan Club marathon. What you have got it here today. It's a really pleasure to be here today. I'm here in Calcutta for the last 70 years. I'm 91 now, but I couldn't refuse the invitation. Had a long innings. God has been kind and He has given me so much. I think it's very important to participate. Can you imagine that in my younger age, when I was a student, when I was a young man, I wore the specs from the very beginning, from the college days. And nobody in the world, particularly in India, had represented the Indian hockey team wearing the specs. I never thought of it. So everything can be possible from these people, youngsters and old people and everybody. Of course, sports is a thing which can be played at every level. But for the youngsters to pick up and to have an interest in sports and to achieve something for themselves and for the country, I think it's very, very important. I wish best of luck to the club and hope and pray that this continues for a long time. Thank you. We exactly have
This is Swati Bihani, Joint Secretary and Marathon Convener for Hindustan Club Raising the Dust Season 3. We have an overwhelming crowd of more than 1500 people spread across all the categories, 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers and 10 kilometers. We are very excited to host them. Most of the 10-kilometer runners have already come back. Most of the 5 have already come back and 3 are on the way. We are very excited and waiting for all of them to come back for the prize distribution at 7:30. Today we have Gurbat Singh with us, our chief guest. We have Prashant Saha and we have a Miss India, Miss Cut. Thank you so much everyone for giving such an overwhelming response.
Important है हमारे देश को ये रियलाइज़ करना कि स्पोर्ट्स इज़ अ वे ऑफ लाइफ और ये यहीं से शुरू होता है किसी भी लेवल से बच्चे बूढ़े जवान सब मिलकर अगर और स्पोर्ट्स को आगे बढ़ाएंगे तो हमारे यहाँ से बहुत एडवांटेज बहुत है, बहुत अच्छे ओलंपियंस निकल सकते हैं, अच्छे मेडल सब ले सकते हैं। लेकिन इतना बड़ा देश दुख लगता है, लेकिन ये क्लब ने किया और ये मैसेज मैं देना चाहूँगा कि ऐसे और इवेंट्स होने चाहिए और लगातार इवेंट होने चाहिए ताकि देश आगे बढ़े। और ये सेहत के लिए भी अच्छा है, काम के लिए भी अच्छा है।